Guys, I'm here at Fort Henry Mall in Kingsport, Tennessee, and the last time I was in here, it was completely dead. I mean, there was hardly anything left. It was deader than the Middlesboro Mall, and it's so nostalgic because every weekend, my mom and dad and I used to come over here, and look at this parking lot. It's like, yeah, dry. But we used to come over here and we used to have so much fun. We used to stay the weekend here, you know, because it wasn't all that far from home and it was, you know, just a getaway. So let's go in here. Let's see what's left. Real quick before we go in, I was going to show you this parking lot. So here it is. And guys, did you know that right here used to be a restaurant? Yes, and they have completely sealed it up. The restaurant there was called Piccadilly, and it was like a cafeteria style. And it used to be really, really good, but the last time it was here and the last time I ate there, it was like, yeah, you know, all the elderly were eating there, so everything was very soft and mushy. Wasn't all that good, but still, I mean, they've just sealed it completely up. So since I've been here, the Kingsport Public Library has moved in here. But of course, they're not open on Sunday. And this mall doesn't open until 1 o'clock on Sunday. And I think they close about 5. Yeah, it's just dead. Now, but of course, my favorite store, Spencer's, is still open. Yes, I've been going in there for years. I'm not going in there right now. Maybe as I come back. Okay, Jewelers, looks like it's still open. And let's see what else. Okay, Belk's is still open. And let's go down this way. Wow. This is dead. Gone. I think that used to be an ice cream place. Gone. Yep. That was Rue 21. Gone. This used to be a restaurant, but it's been empty for years and years. And years and years. There is the cinema. And there used to be an escalator right here that took you up. But of course they got rid of that. So it's either the elevator or the stairs. I think I'm gonna take the stairs to get my steps in for the day. So we're up here on top and we got Dunham Sports. And down through here used to be a bookstore and a little Italian restaurant, which, if I'm smelling correctly, I think it's still here. GNC is still here. Used to be a bookstore right here, and of course they've sealed it up. It's gone. Italian Village Authentic Pizzeria. So yeah, that's there. And then I think Walkabout Sally used to be over here also, but they've sealed that up as well. So yeah, this is, wow, this is totally different. So let's go down this way, see what we got left. And here it is, the saddest part. FYE is gone. Yes, I always love going in there and looking around, but it's gone. Gone. And there's Belk's. Music Masters is still open. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go down through Belk's, and then I'm gonna go into Spencer's, and then go get something to eat. But what is What I don't understand is, did you know that the Johnson City Mall is less than 30 minutes away, and it is doing so well? I mean, it's got a lot of people coming to it. I don't know. What do you think is happening to malls? Oh my gosh. My dad used to hate this elevator because he had such a fear of heights. And it's not all that high, but he hated this elevator. He would much rather go down the escalator. So, okay. Been through Belk's. I got a little sidetracked because I was looking at the clothes. I'm gonna go in Spencer's. Okay, I just came out of Spencer's and it looks like they may be leaving. They were having a big, huge clearance sale. So it's so sad. So here it is. This is the Kingsport Mall, Fort Henry Mall, and it's pretty gone. It's deader than Middlesboro. So there it is. I'll see you guys in my next video. I think I'm gonna go somewhere and eat that I've never been before. So I'll give you my reviews. Bye.